The Michelin Primacy 5 versus the Continental EcoContact 6, a battle between balanced touring performance and pure efficiency engineering. The Primacy 5 is designed for real-world confidence, focusing on wet safety, stability, and everyday usability. The EcoContact 6 takes a different path, built with a clear objective, minimize energy consumption, and maximize efficiency. So the question is simple. Is efficiency better achieved through balance or pure optimization? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 5 set as the reference point at 100%. The data source comes from Auto Motorsport's 2026 Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Primacy 5 clearly leads. It stops 4 meters shorter, translating to a 10% advantage in emergency braking. In wet handling, Michelin carries 2.3 km more speed, equal to a 4% improvement in cornering stability. The biggest gap comes in aquaplaning. The Primacy 5 maintains control 10.3 km higher speed, delivering a strong 11% advantage in water evacuation. Overall, the Michelin Primacy 5 dominates wet performance, offering significantly higher safety margins, especially in standing water. On dry roads, the gap swings slightly in Continental's favor. In dry braking, the EcoContact 6 stops 0.8 meters shorter, translating to a 2% advantage. In dry handling, it carries 0.7 km more speed, equal to a 1% improvement. Overall, differences are minimal, but the EcoContact 6 holds a slight edge in dry precision. In noise performance, both tyres are virtually identical. The EcoContact 6 is just 0.1 decibel quieter, which rounds out to no difference in real-world conditions. Efficiency, on the other hand, is where EcoContact 6 clearly stands out. In rolling resistance, it requires 1.4 Newton per kilonewton less energy, delivering a massive 24% advantage. This translates directly into energy usage, where it consumes 0.5 kilowatt per hour per 100 km less, a 5% improvement. Overall, the Continental EcoContact 6 is strongly optimized for efficiency, making it the clear winner in this category. When it comes to pricing, in the 195/55 R16 size, the Michelin Primacy 5 is approximately 8% more expensive compared to the Continental EcoContact 6. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 5 stands out with stronger wet safety, superior aquaplaning resistance, and a more balanced all-round performance, making it the more confidence-inspiring choice for everyday driving. On the other hand, the Continental EcoContact 6 is clearly optimized for efficiency, with significantly lower rolling resistance, better energy consumption, and a more attractive price point. That said, there's one important limitation here. Wear performance was not evaluated, so no conclusions can be drawn on long-term mileage.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.